Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a custom frame in Canva using free tool. So if you want to turn a basic set of pictures into stunning professional looking visual that's perfect for gifts, social media or printing, you can just follow my steps in here to create your own custom frame. Now, what you need to do is just prepare the photo. Then here you can head into apps options and search for frame as the keyword. Now you can just hit on enter. Then there will be lots of options. There is AI frames, frame maker, image to frame, or frame bro. So you can just choose which apps to use. Let's try image to frame. Here you can transform images into Canva frames. So you can just tap on open to start using the app. Here you can just click on try, continue. Okay, so apparently this one is paid. Let's try to find another one. Go back into apps and here I'm going to, let's say, use the frame maker. And now you can just here create your own frame. You can double click anywhere on the preview to create a new point, such as like this. You can create the shape that you want, just like this, for example. And if you want to remove a point, you can just click on this button. You can also adjust the grid columns. And when you are done, you can click on add to design. So here's the frame. Now you can just drag and drop the image that you want into the frame, just like this. So guys, that's how you can make your own frame in Canva. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorial.